Welcome, my amazing people, to another tutorial inside my school community. In today's video, you will learn how Miles Hamilton, a young man from Austin, Texas, is making 25K per month on Skool, teaching dog trainers how to train their dogs. You'll also discover his exact strategy so that you can copy that to make 10K per month or more teaching something you are passionate about as well. The best part is, if you know nothing about how to monetize your passion or skills on Skool, by the end of this video, I will share with you a free Skool community where you can learn everything step by step to make 10K per month or more using your own Skool community. And if we haven't met before, I'm Azim Ahmed, an electrical engineer turned copywriter, and I'm building my Skool community from scratch and growing it past 10K per month. So let's dive in today's video. The agenda is we will go and see the earning in real time. Then we will dive deep into the strategy. And finally, the most important step, we will learn how you can learn everything step by step so that you can do the same. So the step number one is earning in real time. If you go to Skool games and go to hobbies category and select all time, you can see here on number 5 is Mile Hamilton with the community named Hamilton Dog Training, and he's earning $25,415 per month in monthly recurring revenue. If we refresh the page, confirm that these are the live numbers. He's Miles Hamilton with his community and making $25,415 in monthly recurring revenue. And as you can see, he has this sign against his name. He's a top 5% earner on Skool, making 10K dollars in monthly recurring revenue. And since he's under 30K, that is why he has this sign against his name. If he crosses 30K in MRR, he will have crown against his name as well. As you can see, these people have here, right? So let's have a look as let's have a look at his community, Hamilton Dog Training. So this is his community. It has 815 members. It's free because he is not taking any more clients inside this group. The doors are currently closed. We are at capacity, so he is full. Because the program is so hands-on, it can only accept a small number of people at once to keep the feedback personalized and our standards high. So to keep the quality high, to maintain the quality, he only takes a limited number of people inside his Skool community and trains them how to train their dogs, right? This is a community of passionate dog owners determined to unlock true off-leash freedom, conquer reactivity, and have fun along the way, right? Let's go to his strategy. This is his Skool community, Hamilton Dog Training. And if we go to his profile, we can see he has three links here. One to his Instagram, one to his YouTube channel, and one to his website. Sorry, this is his website. Going back to his YouTube channel, basically, this is where he is getting his traffic from. So he is publishing tutorials on this YouTube channel, and he has his website link in his bio, and also inside his videos. Also, in the description of it videos is simply have the link to his website where people can join his waitlist and ultimately join his Skool community where he is delivering everything from courses, lessons, one-on-one calls, weekly trainings, answers, everything inside that school community. So on his school group, he's simply sharing tutorials and offering free value. The more interested people who want more help from him to train their dogs, they will simply click the link to his website and then join his school community where he charges per month. So this is how he is getting traffic, and this is where he is monetizing his school community. So this is his complete strategy. And like we have seen before, we go to his profile again. Let me show you his Instagram. So on Instagram, he's not sending people to his website right now. So he's simply publishing videos, reels, and posts. He has got some uh, amazing audience, one almost 200,000, but he's not sharing his website link anymore. So his if we go to his profile again, so he's getting all his traffic from his YouTube channel. So let's move on to the last and most important step, how you can learn everything step by step so that you can monetize your passion or skill and make 10K or more per month. So there's a link in the description down below this video. If you click that link, you will join this free community synthesizer. This community is owned by Andrew Kirby with over 36,000 members, and they are helping educators just like you and me use Skool to change the world and make 10K to 100K per month in along the way. So Andrew Kirby is the guy who is the first ever Skool investor, and he owns the first ever free Skool community on the platform. He took Hamza from 20K to 200K dollars per month, and he also helped 100 Skool community owners along with Alex Mozi himself had on average $15,373 in monthly recurring revenue in just 90 days. So this guy knows his stuff. Inside this community, you will get his $999 course for free, weekly growth calls, and quality community of passionate educational creators just like you and me looking to monetize their skills or passions and go full time and maybe quit their 9 to 5 jobs and live the life on their own terms. So if we go to this community classroom, this is the course synthesizer roadmap. So here you will go step by step to all the phases: orient, network, case study, client, and monetization. And if we go to calendar, these are the scheduled weekly calls where you will get answers to your questions and get one-on-one help from Andrew Kirby himself or his school coaches. So this is it. Let me know what is your skill or passion that you want to monetize on Skool, and start building together, because I believe that building alone is boring while building together is fun. I am Azim Ahmed and I see you in the next video.